Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina and today we're going to get all into how I personalize this unused space in my house for my workspace. So we're going to get all into how I decorated and personalize my office space just for me. Here we go. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. I am Christina, and as you can see, I'm starting to clear out this area that's in my home that we don't use. We don't use this space. I usually sit out here at the desk doing my work. I do work from home, but it's time to get it all changed up. This is just a spot where we kind of just like put things. It just gets so disorganized. So now I'm like, I need my own little space, my own little office space. And I just thought maybe I could just take up this space and it would be perfect because we don't use it at all. So I'm going to do that, which is very convenient because there's a TV and a wet bar in this area, which I'm going to kind of make into a mini bar, so for coffee and things like that. So you'll get to see that in the video as well. So let's dive in and let's get this place all situated. This desk I already had. I've been using it. It's my work desk, but I decided to give it a little facelift. So I'm going to change the color of the desk and then also change the legs to the desk. So I wanted gold on the legs, and the desk, it's not like a white, it's more like a pearl color. I will have the color linked down below so you know exactly what it is, but I wanted something that had like a little bit of tone, not just jet white to it. So I was excited about how it came out. I love the color change to it, and I think it matched with everything with the rest of the decor. I asked my husband to join me in certain parts of drilling in the wall and putting up certain wall paintings because it is very difficult to do on your own, especially for me. I don't drill anything. So it was definitely needed. And I'm glad he helped me put these shows up because they came out great.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I am really happy the way my office turned out. I think it looks fabulous. It's so me. My favorite colors are in here. Get to wake up, go to my office, have my little coffee, and get things done. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.